Hey, Henry.
Dana, I'm Carrie. I'm your new mommy.
Bless you. Good morning. You said good morning to your dad? Good morning. Say hi. Dad, I miss you. Come in.
We're presenting. Could everybody please stand? There's a officer on deck.
That's the same thing like I have.
Well, hello.
Hey, I'm having a bad hair day, okay?
So you're.
I was recording a video for Matt.
Oh, send this, yeah.
Works.
Send this
It's
one to
perfect. It's perfect.
Matt. Send this one to Matt.
This is how I was greeted.
That looks
in the
nice.
morning. Look at the rest of his outfit.
What?
Sweatpants? That's okay. I couldn't see it until you moved over.
Okay. Okay.
You look very nice.
I'm just checking the area and making sure everything was functioning properly.
Why, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Do I have to
Okay.
salute you when you leave?
Well, we're going to figure that out. No, but your husband does.
It looks good. I like it.